Good evening, everyone. It's Brian Kelly from the Top Secret Wealth Plan video, the video that pays you $140 over and over and over again. So how do you guys like my little Christmas tree here? Isn't this kind of cool? Really nice. I didn't do it. My wife, of course, she did it. She's got really good decoration skills. No gifts under there, but there will be some next week, I'm quite certain. Wanted to do a quick video this evening. I've been out pretty much all day, and just getting home, and of course I got another envelope. Wasn't quite sure who it was from, and I looked at it, and it's from a guy named Lane Walker. He's from Des Moines, Iowa, and it's kind of strange about him is that I got a text from him, and he said that he had received a postcard in the mail, and it was from a lady, a really super duper great marketer, and she's from Georgia. I won't mention her name, but she's really good. And so he never really wanted to talk on the phone. He just wanted to do things by text, which is fine. You know, some people don't want to like call and talk on the phone, but they just rather text or email me, to join the program. And so he said he had watched the video, gotten the postcard, watched the video, and he wanted to go ahead and sign up. I mentioned that he could do by Cash App, but he wanted to go old school and wanted to do second priority mail. So what I did was I just told him I sent him an email with the person who sent him the postcards, that person's name and their mailing address, as well as my name, my mailing address. And about a day or so later, I got a verification through another text with the tracking number. Both tracking numbers were. So that told me that he was serious and actually sent the money. At that point, I went ahead and sent him all of his stuff so he can get started right away. So he is, he's now, started the program. And I want to say he went ahead and ordered some postcards, which most people do. And the reason why is because that postcard that we have is really good, really works quite well. And, people are using it, every day pretty much to get a lot of sales. So what I like to do is show you the proof of this amount of money. It's only $10. I only made $10, but again, like I always say, that's fine with me because it proves that my system is working. Because if I was making like all the sales myself and getting the big 150s and 140s or whatever, then and no one else was making any money, then what good is that? Hey, my Ela. He's cool. All right, I'm gonna put the phone on real quick, and I'm gonna open this package, and I'll show you I guess I'm not sure if it's a check or a money order or cash, whatever. But hold on for a second, okay? Hold on. Let me put this right here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, there. And hold on. It's been raining like all day yesterday, all day today. Well, actually half day. The sun did come out, so that's a good thing. So yeah. All right. So where are you? Okay. Here it is. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Okay. We have looks like a money order. I'll cover his address up. Okay. See there? $10 money order to me, Brian Kelly. So again, I know I sound like a broken record, but I made 10, and the person in Georgia, she made 140. How did she do it? She just simply got the postcards that we offer, put a stamp on it, I also send you like 1,000 leads, put the lead on there, drop it in the mail, and this person here, Lane Walker got got the postcard. He read it. Sounds interesting. So what he did was he went to the topsecretwealthplan.com website, which is actually a YouTube video. It's like 20 minutes long. He watched it. He looked at it. And then he said, oh my gosh, this is really cool. It's something I want to do. So he didn't call me. He just, texted me. And he gave me his information. I sent him an email, told him to pay the person who sent him the postcard $140 and pay me $10. He did that. He then sent me the tracking numbers for both packages going out. And once I got that tracking number, I went ahead and sent him all this stuff, and then he got started with the program right away. Ordered his postcards. Boom, he's in business. I mean, really, it doesn't get simpler than that. You know what I mean? It really doesn't. I get a lot of calls, man. I mean, I got one. I was driving. Some person called me from New York, and I don't really like to drive and talk because I don't have my Bluetooth hooked up on my car. So I called this person back just a few minutes ago, and he said he's in the credit repair business and he's looking for something to do with that. So I said, well, look, take a look at the video and give me a call back. And, so I'm kind of waiting on his call. Quite sure he will want some more information. Maybe you want to get involved in the program. So, hey, this is a great thing, great program. It's still going strong. I don't see it ending anytime soon because it just works, man. It works. It makes people money. Isn't she a cute dog? Wow. But anyway, let me get ready to go. My wife made me some really delicious chocolate and chocolate chip brownies. I'm going to get ready to dive into those really quick here in just a few minutes. But anyway, hope you guys have a great evening. If you have not gotten here by someone else, feel free to go to my own personal website. It's called 140perday.com. 140 per day, PERDAY, 140perday.com. Watch that video. It's like 5 minutes long and kind of gives like an intro to the main video. Has my PIN number on it. Do it that way. And if you want to get involved in the program, it'll direct you to the main video, which is the topsecretwealthplan.com, and you can get started. And I'll do whatever I can to help you out. Pretty good program. People making money. That's what it's all about. And hey, I'm here to help you out as best I can. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys have a very nice evening, and hope to be making some more videos really, really soon. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.